beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on this glossy, glowy, jutesy skin, and I'm trying a few new makeup products that I just got like today, a few hours ago. So this is more like a first impressions. Also, I'm trying a new foundation today, but I didn't want to dedicate a full video because to this foundation because my last two first impressions, they're so extra long, and I really hope this video is not that long. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieved this glossy, effortless looking skin and what products I recently purchased, then keep on watching. I want to quickly remind you that Black lives still matter. If it's not trending right now, it still matters, okay? And what is going on in Yemen, oh my god, that's so heartbreaking. So if you guys haven't signed petitions, please do so. If you can donate, please donate. If you can donate, just sign petitions. It only takes 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. So please, let's all be a part of the change. Let's do better. Let's be better, okay? So yeah, we live in a world where money has power, and we also live in a world where we like to make heartless people famous. We like to put bad people up there. They don't deserve that. We have the power to bring them down. If we can bring them up, we can bring them down. It only stays in likes, subscribes, comments. So yeah, be aware of who you make famous nowadays, okay? It's 2020, you should know better. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Let's now jump into the video. I'm starting with this primer. This is by the brand i.missy. This is a Korean brand. I don't know, it sounds interesting. It's the Silky Primer. Soft silky texture to present vital luminous skin and flawless makeup by covering silky film on your skin. We totally want that. So I don't know, I think it was 6 euros or so. Super affordable. Let's see what this does. Oh, it's thick. You see? I'm going to do 2 pumps. Probably that's a little bit too much. It has this greenish color. It kind of matches my top. Oh, it smells fresh, like green tea, tea tree. I don't know. It smells very good. I need my mirror close. Me scusi for that, but I need my mirror close. So it says to apply this evenly. The scent is not that powerful though. I think this has silicone in it. Cyclopentasiloxane, silica, a lot of things I can't pronounce, but siloxane I'm guessing is the silicone, if I'm not wrong. But it feels very soft. Look at this, you guys. Dominique Cosmetics DMing me. We are friends. They follow me, so yeah, definitely we are friends. Right? Oh shoot. I don't know if I like that, but I'm getting the weird peeling. I really like the primer, but I hate that it gives me those crumbles things, you know? I don't really like that. I do have a new foundation to try. This will be my first time using this foundation. I did bought this one 2-3 weeks ago, and I haven't had the chance to try it. And last week I purchased another shade because it was on sale. I paid 4.25 euros. This one was 6 euros, but still extra affordable. I do like the original one. I hope I will like this one too. This is the Dewy Lumineux, and I think I'm going to go with the shade Soft Beige, this one right here. Okay. Actually, this smells so nice. You know, the original one, it has that paint scent which everyone hates. I hate it too, but it goes away once you start to blend this on your face. But this one smells so good. It smells like flowers. Oh, I forgot to spray this on my face. Let's spray some on my sponge. Oh, it's on my mirror. I really like how this smells, but if I spray this directly on my face, it has a oily residue or sticky. I don't know exactly. I did use it once on my face directly, and that was the last time. I remember that I didn't like the finish. I nailed it again with the shade. This feels super lightweight and it looks so damn good. I feel like it has the exact same coverage as the original one, but I see the luminosity, which I really like. Wow, I think I love this foundation more than I love the classic one. Classic one gives me a matte finish, but it doesn't feel dry or extremely matte on the face, but it looks matte. And I appreciate very much that you changed the scent on this one. Anyway, next I have a concealer, a new concealer. I noticed that I don't purchase concealers that much, you know. I do buy a lot of foundations, a lot of eyeshadows, highlighters, but I don't purchase concealers, which is kind of crazy. I know that if I love one concealer, I stick to that, but yeah, anyway, I bought the Nabla Close-Up Concealer Stay Full Smooth. I heard a lot of good things about this one and I really wanted to try it. It was on sale. I paid 11 euros and 25 cents. I have the prices here because, as I said, I just got the packaging earlier. So I got the shade Light Peach and I feel like it's a little bit too dark for me right now. I need a little bit of color. I need some tan. Never tried this brand before. Smells like creme brulee. That's crazy. Everything smells so good today. I thought it was a little bit darker, but no. I want to see how this looks once I set it with the powder, but it didn't cover it and it looks a little bit weird. I don't know how to describe it. I hope the camera picks that. Like around here. Oh, I don't think the camera picks that. Around here. Do you see? I'm going to set this with my trusty powder, veil powder from Hourglass. So I just set my under eyes and a little bit my smile lines, but I feel like it wasn't necessary to do that because this foundation, it feels a little bit tacky, but it doesn't focusing my lines, which is crazy because this is not a matte foundation. My forehead looks amazing. Also, I applied a little bit of powder. So I don't have a new bronzer. I'm going to go with the Tantour from Huda. I'm going to apply this very quick on my face, just to give my face a little bit of definition, you know. Next, I'm going to go with the Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. So I'm going to mostly set the contour. Next, I have the Skin Glass from Dominique Cosmetics. I purchased two shades. I got the Sunset Glow and the Gloss Peach. They have two more colors. You can use them as highlights, as bronzers, as a glossy blush. They do have two more colors, one darker and one lighter. So I'm going to use this more like a glowy blush. So I don't know what color I want to use. I think I'm going to go with the, let me show you the colors. They are so pretty. So this is the Gloss Peach. Gorgeous. This is so ready for the summertime. And this is the Sunset Glow. I think I'm going to go with the other one. So I'm going to go with my finger. You can apply them with the brush, with the sponge. This is a cream product. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, I did apply my bronzer as powder, and also I did set the under eyes, and this doesn't lift the product. So I'm going to go with a little bit of Sunset Glow on top. Oh. Don't see much of the color, but it makes my skin look glossy. So next I have the one and only Dewy and Katy times Color Pop. No, this is Dose of Colors highlight. This is the Chasing the Sun. I think this is their second collab with Dose of Colors. I don't know exactly, but I finally got my hands on this. I paid 20 euros and 95 cents, and I think it was almost 30 euros, which is kind of crazy, right? And also these were on sale, and I paid 14 euros and 50 cents, which is amazing because again they were 28 euros or so. Your girl knows how to shop. It's better to wait for the sale if you want to purchase some more expensive makeup because it is worth it, you know. This is how it looks. The packaging is so pretty. I don't really like the texture. The color is so beautiful. I'm going to apply it on top of this glossy skin. I never tried Dose of Colors highlights. I feel like this is a little bit too deep for me, too dark. Yeah. Anyway, I hope it works. Yeah, you can totally see that. So, I guess this highlight is not for me. Maybe I'm going to use it on my eyes. Okay, let's see how I fix this. So I'm going to go with the Focallure Crystal palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. Just a little bit. This song is stuck in my head. I've been listening to Lana earlier, so that's why. But you guys, look what I have right there. That's a kalimba. Let me show you. Wait. So I bought this kalimba a few months ago. I haven't had time to play with this. I mean, I was just, you know, doing this. It sounds so relaxing, so it gives me all the vibes. So I purchased this. I paid 30 euros. I found it on Amazon. I want to learn how to play this. Even my cat likes how this sounds. Okay, back to makeup. This is the color. It's so pretty, but definitely is not for my skin complexion right now because I'm so light. And as you saw, wow, I was about to apply it on my cheeks again. Wow. If you have a deeper complexion, what? You see that? Wow, that looks so pretty. This is so freaking cute. I don't see any glitters, any sparkles. It's just the shine. Okay, Daisy and Katy. I want to go with Glass Peach on top. Like, I want to do that. Oh, okay. Oh my god, you guys see that? Jesus, that looks so cute. So, I can't make the lashes stick because I applied that skin gloss and probably that was a bad idea. And also I'm seeing that it starts to gather in those creases, so yeah, I guess that was a bad idea. I did found this Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. It's my first time trying this, and wow, the wand is huge, but I am actually impressed, so I guess no falsies today. Oh my god, you guys, I have lashes. They look a little bit crusty because I applied 500 layers, but I have lashes. Doesn't look that bad though. And also this glow. Oh my god. I don't want to apply lipstick, but I'm going to fill my lips with this lip pencil, which is kind of the same thing. And the lip gloss I'm going to use is from Fenty Beauty. I love this so much. I love how it smells, how it tastes. So good, but it's not as glossy. This is more like a gloss bomb. Also, my lips are kind of dry, so Alright, so yes, that's it. I don't have anything else to try. I did apply a little bit of this highlight in my inner corners and on my brow bone, but I guess this is my version of the glossy skin ready for summer makeup look. I love how glossy my skin is. Like, wow, you don't need highlight. This is the bomb, but don't apply it on the eyes because it gathers, and if you want to apply falsies, they won't stick. Other than that, I love how glowy this is. I love the foundation. Oh my god, I don't know if it's the combo, like the primer and the foundation together, but they look good. Not the nose though. He does that crazy thing like right on top of my nose, but other than that, this foundation looks gorgeous. And also the hair sticks a little bit where I applied the skin gloss. It doesn't feel sticky. It has that tacky feeling, but it's not sticky like crazy. So yeah, the hair will kind of, you know, stick a little bit. Alright, so this completes this look. I really hope you guys like this effortless skin gloss, glowy, radiant, ready for summer skin. I mean, it's not that effortless, but it looks effortless, you know. So let me know down below what you guys think, and that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.